Hello everyone. I am Khristiva and I am currently studying in class 9. As a 9th grader, I know how important it is to have a complete understanding of the academic concept to lay my foundation right for the future, and hence I have made the perfect choice of enrolling myself for the 1-year hybrid course at the prestigious Aakash Institute at the Tharapur branch. I have been extremely fortunate to be learning from all the talented and able teachers who have helped me with the listed subjects. As the novel coronavirus continued to spread, I was initially worried about my classes, learnings, and understanding of the concept via online mode. Online teaching can be tedious and sometimes under-assisted, but in Aakash Education Service Limited, all my fears have been erased. The online classes are fun, technologically well equipped, and most importantly, the teachings are clear, transparent, and very helpful. I am really enjoying my online classes, and most importantly, all my concepts are being cleared, doubts have been answered, and communication with teachers and amongst the students have been encouraged. My conceptions and basics are improving, and Aakash Educational Service Limited have contributed tremendously to my academic growth. I am definitely going to suggest Aakash Institute to everyone.